matter, una know that Malian. Where na woman dey be born 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pikin. I count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pikin. 1 boy, 2 boy, 3 boy, 4 boys, 5 girls. The woman born her for one time so. If you go born her for that side, for Morocco, and then they turn a Morocco fish on Juma fish, and they turn a country. And also when I like that Morocco fish plenty because it gets more higher for day. When I the chop and I say, hey, I the chop Juma fish. So now for 2021, for the 4th of May, where the man and a woman they born 9 pikin. The woman born 9 pikin with massa. Mami, the woman named na Alima Sise. 25 years that we born that pikin with the 25 years. Now the hospital where he born with cesarean for that side for Morocco, they give them price, they like them, they talk plenty with them, they talk plenty thing with them. Now so they any man they want give price, so they don't get the Guinness prize, what they call a Guinness record for the world, for the number of pikin away he born at one time. 5 girls, 4 boys, so pang. That woman don't need to born again, oh. But you leave that woman because if you try the next time, that woman fit born less on 12 pikin for the next time. 9 plus 12. You know the number I used to say no, count them. That's 21. So 3 born. If it be less on 50 pikin. So I think say that 9 pikin so it correct. You leave them. 9 pikin. No be seen a play. Nah, woman no. Yeah, woman strong. God make us una woman no. Any woman here we know. I hear Luna. I throw a big salute for all women them. All remake them. For born 1 pikin no easy. Born 2 na mangulu ngwete. Born 3 na wahala on a palaba day. Born 4 it Trumpers castle. Born 9. That means say God they will not inside una skin. Now una be the Lord protection. Woman 9 pikin massa. Countryman, countrywoman.